Today we look at a freshly aged Tiger Concepts Explorer. This Miyota-powered watch sits inside a 36mm case. It's an optimal size for many, and there are endless variations on how to wear a watch of this size. Winding the movement, we have an oversized crown. The thick sapphire crystal on top ensures long-term durability and increases the watch's water resistance. Most noticeably are those aged white syringe-style hands and the red tip seconds hand sweeping across the dial. This Explorer dial has been given a light brown shade with age markers. The hands really pop and add character to the watch, one we normally see with the traditional Mercedes-style hands. The aging on this watch is pretty conservative and well balanced, and a steel bracelet adds more of a modern touch. But my preference is a worn leather NATO-style strap. This watch is a fine example of the aged Explorer watches I've put together over the years.